How to make money online. Resume writing. Provide professional resume writing and career coaching service. Social work. Provide social work service, counseling and support online. Voice therapy. Provide online voice therapy and speech coaching. Online investment advisory. Offer investment advice and portfolio management service online. Virtual legal document preparation. Prepare legal document for client online. Online prayer training. Provide virtual prayer training and behavior consulting service. Online yoga instruction. Offer virtual yoga class and instruction. Online comedy writing. Write comedy script or content for comedian and content creator. Virtual art lesson. Teach art class and lesson online. Data analysis. Analyze data and provide insight for business remotely. Virtual music lesson. Teach music lesson online for various instruments. Financial planning. Help people achieve their financial goal through online financial planning and advice service. Branding service. Branding service are professional service that help business create and manage their brand identity. Online personal training. Provide virtual personal training and fitness coaching. Online cooking class. Offer a convenient and interactive way to learn cooking skill from comfort of your own home. Business plan writing. Create a marketing plan that detail how the business will reach and attract customer. Public speaking coaching. Offer coaching and training for public speaking skill. Graphic design. Create logo, banner, business card, etc. Web development. Build website, fix bugs or create custom web solution. Content writing. Provide article, blog post, website content.